Are you in search of the perfect salon storage solution? Look no further. Introducing the Gdrasuya10 adjustable height salon rolling alu tray cart. This versatile trolley cart is a game changer for any salon, studio, or shop. With its large aluminum tray, convenient side caddy, and 360 swivel wheels, this cart offers unparalleled functionality. But that's not all, it's also built to last. Made of stain and heat-resistant aluminum, heavy-duty iron, and non-toxic PP, this cart is as durable as it is stylish. The height-adjustable telescopic support ensures that it can meet all your needs, while the stable base and fully swivel casters make it easy to maneuver around the salon floor. And cleaning up is a breeze, simply remove the aluminum tray and side caddy for easy cleaning. Plus, assembly is a cinch, no extra tools required. Upgrade your salon storage game with the Gdrasuya10 adjustable height salon rolling alu tray cart today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.